Good morning! Hi, Robert. This is my breakfast. I just woke up, even though it's 1:45 in the afternoon. So, you can see I look like shit. I don't really care. Benson, it's blueberry. Yeah. This is my work. Kinda sucks. Yeah. Apple. Waffle. Orange juice. Yeah. Condo. Yeah. I'm probably gonna call you in a little bit. You're there, you're gonna call me first. So, yeah. Just saying hi. You're probably gonna get lots of kicks out of this since I look like a retard eating a waffle. Very poorly. Can't believe I'm gonna put this on the internet. Alright, I'm gonna go now. I love you. Bye. Nah. Apple. I thought I was done with, but it wasn't. I came back. Now I'm eating my apple. I'm surprised you haven't called me yet. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Love you. Mwah.